Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Veronica. For those of you that are new, I'm so happy to have you. I hope you consider joining our internet family here. To do that, hit that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you don't miss a future video. Today we are going to be tackling my linen closet, taking it from a complete disaster to an organized, peaceful space where it's functional for my entire family. So if you're interested in this video, let's get started. To begin, here's a look at what the closet looked like before I went through and decluttered it. I had tons of old comforters, pillows, curtains, and ratty old towels stuffed in here. And I do mean stuffed. This closet was so jam-packed that it was not even possible to fit another item into it. On top of that, this closet is oddly shaped, so I've never actually had an easy time keeping it clean and organized. So I'm hoping that using the baskets and bins that I use today will allow it to stay cleaned and organized for a longer period of time. So to begin, I am just going to go ahead and take everything out of the closet. As I'm doing this, I'm kind of sorting it out by type of item, and the things that I know I am for sure going to get rid of, I'm going to go ahead and set aside. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. Here's a quick look at the closet with nothing in it. So you can see that the shape of the closet is not normal. It's squared on one side but kind of cut off on the other, which makes it impossible to actually use that space. So now I'm just going to quickly sort through all the items and decide what items need to be donated, thrown away, or put into a different place in our home. When I see other projects that I'm working on in between videos, make sure to check me out over on Instagram. My handle is @soveryyveronica. All the items that I'm donating, I'm going to go ahead and put into these garbage bags and set aside, and I'm also taking any items out of the room that will now be stored elsewhere. I'm leaving only the items that I'm going to keep in this closet in the room, and I'm going to go ahead and bring the items I am using to organize into the room at this time. To figure out which of the bins and baskets that I'm going to actually be using, I'm going to go ahead and lay them out in the closet. I take a lot of time moving the different bins around until I like the layout. Once this is decided, I'm going to take them out and clean each of the shelves. For this, I'm just using Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner, and once the shelves are dry, I'm going to put everything right back.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you could save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know some things will hurt.
And now I'm going to go ahead and build the door organizer. Now I picked this up at Target a couple months ago and it's been sitting there waiting for me to do this project, but I decided to use this because it opens up the potential for a lot more storage. Since the closet is so small, I needed something to utilize any available space possible, and that includes the door.
You have to move on, deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
And the shelving system was relatively easy to build. You just put the bars together and then decide where you want each basket to hang. So I'm just trying to figure out exactly how I want to lay out the baskets best for our situation.
No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Alright guys, this is where we are so far. I have cleaned the shelves and placed the baskets where I want them. My candles are already in there, obviously, because the candles were already in the baskets, but I still need to go through those. And I do have another one of the basket on the bottom, I just have to find it. And then this is the door organizer that I picked up. Now I'm going to put some little baskets in here so things don't fall through the cracks.
I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
Now that the door organizer is built and the baskets are in place, I'm just going to go ahead and place these wallflowers into the bins and keep them organized on the door. I have a ton of spare wallflowers from Bath & Body Works, so I think this is the perfect place for those. I'm also going to use this space to house all of the extra hand soaps, spare body washes, and lotions so they are easily accessible and easy to find for every member of my family.
I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
Alright, now all those products are put away, I am going to go ahead and start folding up some sheets and putting them into these baskets. You will notice later on that I end up using these baskets for blankets instead. I actually move the sheets to different bins towards the bottom of the closet. One thing that I decided to do for this project is replace all of our old and dingy towels. I've always wanted to have an all-white linen closet, but with kids in real life, I realized that that's not very likely to stay, so white towels would no longer be white, so I also purchased some gray ones, just to be safe. Now, I do like to roll our towels rather than fold them. Now, I believe this allows for things to look cleaner as well as fit more towels in such a small space, especially with the awkward shape of the closet.
Monday to Friday, that's just nothing for me. We've got a lot
So now that everything is put away, the last thing I need to do is label all the different spaces. Now I made these labels on my computer and just printed them off, and I'm using packing tape to laminate them and attach them to different bins and shelves. I also use some twine to attach the labels to the baskets because tape won't actually stick to that material. These labels make the space so much more functional so that no matter who goes into this closet, they're able to find what they need and keep the space clean in the process. Or at least I hope that's what's going to happen.
We are young, let's be stupid, just you, me, and the night. The one thing we should know is that we got plenty of time. That we got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. And I've got nothing else but you on my mind. We got plenty of time. Yeah, we got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Yeah. We got plenty of time.
And here is a look at the finished product, an organized closet. I cannot even tell you how happy this makes me. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Everything has a place and everything is in its place. It may be one of my favorite places in the entire house right now.
'Cause where you go is where I go.
Alright guys, as you can see here, it was a complete transformation from where we started to where we are now, and I am so happy with the result. I hope you really liked this video and it gives you that motivation you need to tackle your linen closet or another space that needs to be organized. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me, and don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell down below so you don't miss another video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!